Hey there, everyone. This is me, Runilin, and once again, I'm creating this educational video here on brilliant.org as usual. But first of all, I'd like to remind you that our current year 2025 is coming to a close and making a transition to the new year 2026. So, have you got any expectations for that? Okay, guys, please let me know in the comments in the first place. Anyway, in brilliant.org here, I'm doing some programming in CS chapter, the objective, speak the language of computers, something I haven't recorded to you educationally for a bit of a while, a long time now. So we're going to do this thinking in code as I'm displaying you as a pointer here. So I'm gonna click on it. Yes, that's right. Thinking in code to build solid foundations for computational problem solving. As you can see above here, I'm currently in level 3 called branching. In today's chapter exercise called preventing errors, that's what I'm going to work out today, and you're gonna make some demonstrations how each exercise will cover which topic selections to be discovered quite soon. So I'll click start here to begin the exercise. You just wait for a moment. Almost loading there. Wait. All right, there we go. Here's the exercise that's something you haven't discovered for a long time to begin with. Here, complete the deliveries. It says here, why deliveries remain. Yes, drive forward, if a delivery, deliver package. Kind of simple looping and execution, kind of similar codings in the first place. Deliver package only at delivery, so each point here. While looping, drive forward each step, I think. Let's check why not. Oh yes, that is correct. Let's see why. Here's the correct program. Now let's analyze why. Alright, there's the right arrow to click on. Each time through the loop, the truck drives a step forward, from here to there. The truck will deliver a package only when it's at delivery, so only at the respective points as I show with the blue. After being delivered, it will display a blue tick that delivery has been completed in each stage. That's kind of simple exercise to begin with, something we haven't done this recap for a bit long time. Alright, so I'll click continue here. What happens when the program doesn't run an if statement? Of course, tries to deliver a package when there's no delivery. That's kind of contradiction, kind of something try to oppose what if statement is absent here. So let's check. Of course, that is correct. The other is wrong. Let's see why. Oh wait, no scrolling down. Without an if statement, program will try to deliver a package every time through the loop, even if the truck is not a delivery. So deliver package, but not if, then here's the yellow exclamation mark means delivery isn't present there, so it might incorrectly deliver at some point, kind of errors you might not recognize and better watch out whenever you execute this program next time out. That's kind of recommendation from me here. So I'll click continue. All right, there it is. Just scroll down. Complete the deliveries here. Oh, let's see. This is from financial district around these areas and boundaries. Why deliveries remain, drive forward. Deliver package if a delivery, then deliver package. Delivery to the right, turn right. I think this execution sequence might work. Why not? Let's check. Of course, delivery is complete and the program is correct again. Let's see why. Alright, here's the correct program. Let's analyze it together. Each time through a loop, the drug simply drives forward one step at a time, delivers a package only when it is at a delivery. Previously described, here a blue tick after delivery is complete. The truck will turn right when there is a package to its right. So turn right, then straight follow, no more deliveries to right or left, so execution ends there. Simple as that. Why not click continue? What happens if there's only one if statement? Only one if. Deliver package. Turn right. Turn right's too soon. What find one statement? Only one if statement. Oh yes. Of course. Turn right's too soon. That might be the error. Execution will not work. That's correct. Of course. Why not click on it? Here, without an if statement, program will make the truck turn right every time through a loop, even there are no deliveries to the right. Keep turning right, like once a delivery, then turn right instantly, not moving forward. So that's kind of programming code execution problem error that you probably have to notice from here now. Okay, this is kind of a little bit more complex than ever, but why not move forward and continue? I'll keep progressing. Yes, complete the deliveries again. Here, 20 left. Start from here. Oh yes, this is all the same again. Let's see. Why deliveries remain drive forward? If at delivery, deliver package. Delivery to right, turn right. And then similarly, delivery to left and turn left. I think that sequence might execute well performed, I think. Let's check. So turn left here, then at right, turn right, then straight ahead. Yes. Perfectly run and program is correct once again. Delivery is complete. Let's click on why. I'll scroll down to see it more visible. Here's a program that works for pubs with guests, left turns and right turns. Let's analyze it once again together. Yes, you can see each repetition the truck simply drives forward and delivers a package only if it's at a delivery. Truck would turn left if there's delivery to the left, so face to the left and then turn left from here because of the package on its left being present. Contrastingly, opposite direction here, truck would turn right if there's a delivery to the right, yes. After, at this corner, I mean, delivery is at right, so face and about to turn right here. Wrapping these commands in a while loop make the truck repeat all of the description process until all the deliveries are complete. Sorry, my pronunciation errors though. Anyway, it just keeps looping all these like delivery, deliver package, delivery to right or left, turn right and left respectively. Then only all deliveries are completed. These executing loops, kind of something I've already demonstrated to you previously. Anyway, let's click continue to the next stage. It is very common to use if statements to block unwanted commands. This keeps your program getting off track. We use pseudocode here. Deliveries remain drive forward. If delivery, deliver package. If to right, turn right. If to left, turn left. But here in Python, while truck.delivery is greater than 0, number must be positive. Truck.forward at delivery.deliver. If right, truck.right. And if left, truck.left. Probably I would mention these two have the similar features of turning right or left, delivering packages at respective locations, but however, I assume they both execute and perform differently, how these codes should be run, that's something you haven't discovered. Okay, I'm just making a general comparison. Anyway, thanks for listening here. I'll click continue. All right, now it's time for a skill check. So as I mentioned to you in previous videos, I'm going to work out 3 exercise questions here on the 3 tabs, kind of skill check how much I can recap from the exercise we've done. So why not proceed, shall we? So I'll click continue. Wait, here it is. Complete the program, collect all the gems. So let's think more carefully. Why not? Why gems remain, move forward. If gem, collect gem. No tire chat, turn around. I think face to that right. No more ties, turn around, so reverse, then pick up this opposite gem. I think that's it. Let's check to run if the program goes well this time. Yup, that is correct. Let's see why. Here's a solution with 2 if statements. Let's analyze how it works. Each repetition, robot would simply move forward. In this case, it's facing to the right, so 1 step forward. If a robot is at a gem, it collects it, yes. And a little bit more difficult but interesting one. If there's no tie ahead, robot turn around. At first face to the right, then end of the path, so opposite way around, turn to the left to collect the remaining gem ahead. The while loop repeats until no gems remain, so it moves end of the edge, collect the final gem, and the level is complete. No more gems remain. The program has been executed properly, successfully, correctly, yeah. Alright, let's move on to the next exercise. Okay, complete this program, collect all the gems. I must scroll down. While gems remain, let's move forward. Once again, if a gem, collect gem, why not? Gem to right. Turn right. If no tie ahead, turn around. I think that program should run properly again, why not? So let's check to run this program. Oh yes, that's kind of a bit complex challenge for me, but I've done it correctly once again. Why not? Let's click why. Yes, here's a solution with 3 if statements. Let's analyze how each of them works. Each repetition, once again, robot moves forward from this direction to left, so land here. If there's a gem to the right, okay, robot turns right. Not move forward, fix a gem, then turn right. No tie here, robot turns around, so no more tie, end of the path, turn around in the reverse direction. While loop repeats until no gems remain. Kind of a bit complex execution here to run entire programs that many might probably not understand, but this is okay for me. Why not? Just to let you know how it works, so hopefully you will completely understand it. Continue to the final exercise, I think. Yes, analyze the program. What happens if there are only 2 if statements? Collect gem, turn right, turn around. Of course. Goes out of bounds. Wait. Turn around too soon or goes out of bounds. This is a little bit trickier to understand. Not never turns around, but turns around too soon or goes out of bounds. What does that mean? I think it's go out of bounds, not turns around too soon. Like turn around so many times so program would run infinitely and will not approach an ending, I guess. Let's check. Oh, okay, this is actually wrong for me. Turns around too soon, like turning around like too early. Okay, let's click Y anyway. If turnaround command is not inside if statement, robot would turn around immediately after moving forward one tile. Oh yeah, if statement like turn around immediately, too soon, not out of bounds. After collecting gem, then turn around, it goes back, not collecting any gems. Oh yeah, not goes out of bound like I thought like infinite running. This assumption like kind of wrong, many might not get it perfectly right. But okay, anyway. So like running here, I think, go straight, then turn back. So like turns around too soon, like instantly turn back and not moving forward to collect all the gems. So then this executing program might be a critical error. Anyway, only this write this question wrong, but I successfully completed back in this making a code exercise. So I'll click this finish tab to conclude here. Yes, level complete. After completing this entire exercise, to all of you today, I've gained 150 XP this time. Continue. Boom. Once again, I've extended my total learning streak on Brilliant.org to, you see, this 3-week streak 21 means 21 days in a row. From here, from Thursday, 5 consecutive days after completing this exercise on Monday. But that's not where I'm going to stop my progress, but I'll keep working this until I've achieved something. All right. I will not probably mention why it is, but anyway, continue. Excellent. You finished in 6th place and kept your spot in the Tungsten League. Once again, oh dear. I've checked my total XP this morning, like 2000 XP. Although I break that tally, but I narrowly missed out top 5 and could not gain promotion to the next league, which is a shame. I have to settle in the same league, like minor XP deficit, still not advancing, but retaining position in the same league is not something I was expecting. But anyway, I must stay here for another week in this Tungsten League, I guess. Anyway, continue. Oh, learn faster with personalized practice only on premium. Okay, not there to explain you or remind you about this. I've previously done this before, so remind me later. Wait for a moment. Alright, there's taking a code once again. I've completed this preventing errors chapter exercise, and then next exercise is using if-else statements. You'll probably discover how these coding statements will necessarily be important to consider whenever you run coding programs as well. Anyway, that's it all for this today's educational video that I've created to all of you for today. So thanks very much indeed for watching, and if you do enjoy watching this, don't forget to add a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for other related educational videos that you probably haven't discovered. So you may click on these links to preview how I taught these Brilliant.org courses and programs educationally and academically. As usual, I will not stop my progress here, but continue with more courses to be created either externally or online virtually quite soon. Alright, that's it guys everyone. I'll see you once again in the next video. Take care guys. Cheers. Bye.